All right, we're going to Lewis now. Lewis is our environmental studies building here on campus. It's our first green building. It's completed in 2006. It's about 6 feet underground to keep us warmer during the winter and cooler during the summer. As you can see, we have these these panels here to reflect sunlight into the classrooms to help cut back the amount of electricity we actually use inside the classrooms. All the plants are another native Southern California plants as well as drought resistant. All these cement pieces you see here are actually from the original, whatever it was here originally. We reused that to create some nice new benches. We also have recycled carpeting and non-toxic glue. All the classrooms are smart classrooms, so they actually have internet capabilities as well as multimedia capabilities. And my favorite part about the building is actually the cupboards or whiteboards, so you can write on them to actually cut back on the amount of paper that we use. Environmental studies was created out of student needs. So many Joslin students in the 1970s were creating an environmental studies emphasis. The school responded by making it an actual official major. The professors of the environmental studies program like to think of this building as a future sustainable building and act as an adjunct professor for our students, kind of showing them what the future is going to look like in terms of sustainable building. They also like to use the surrounding environment as a teacher because we have that wonderful central location. It'll actually take you out to the things that you're studying. So you're not just hearing about it in books and in the classroom, you're also going out and experiencing the things you're learning. So it's really great. We have that wonderful central location for us in. He also offers a master's program in geographical information systems, which is like complex map systems. I'm not fully sure how it works. I'm not a big map person, but it's pretty amazing. This is Appleton Hall. This is our Hall of Numbers. It's our computer sciences, mathematics, and physics, as well as our new astronomy minor hall. As you can see, we have these little study alcoves surrounded by professors' offices. When this building was being built, there was a lot of faculty and student input, and the big thing was having those little study alcoves. So you can actually get up from talking to a professor or studying for a test, and you can grab the professor and bring them into your actual study session or homework session or whatever you are working on. When you come outside of Appleton here, if you take a look at the side of the building, over here we have a fully functional sundial. It is accurate within 5 to 15 minutes depending on the time of the year. The two arcs are for the different solstices, the straight lines for the equinox, and it is accurate for both daylight savings time and non-daylight savings time. The professor who built that is actually in charge of our new astronomy program and has some sundials on the Mars rovers. And he's a pretty awesome guy, so take an astronomy class with him. His name's Tyler Nordgren. Next to us we have Hedco, and across the way we have Gregory. Hedco's our biology and chemistry labs. Gregory's our biology and chemistry classrooms. What's really nice about our science programs is they have all this new state-of-the-art equipment because Lewis and Appleton were opened in 2006, Hedco and Gregory opened in 2000, so it's really new state-of-the-art equipment. All of our labs are capped at 18, so we'll never have more than 18 students in the class. They're always taught by professor, never taught by TA, so you'll always have professor teaching your labs. We have continuity between labs and classes, so you're never learning something different in a lab and a class. We also have a really wonderful summer research opportunity. About 25 students are selected every summer to come do research here on the campus, and they do research with the professor. My friend did research here, and he did research on breast cancer, because that's what the professor's working on, and now he works at the City of Hope as a lead research assistant. So it's really great. It's a great resource we have for students. We also have a really wonderful pre-health program. What's really nice about our pre-health program is you can be any major or minor you want to be and still go into medical school after you graduate. So if you want to be a history major but still go to med school, you can do that. Last year, the 15 out of the 17 students applied to medical school got into their first choice. That's pretty big considering the fact that in a larger school, only about 2 students get in their first choice. We did actually have a student get into Harvard Medical School last year, and she did defer to actually do her Fulbright scholarship in Germany. So for this last year, we had 2 students get a Fulbright scholarship. The year before that, we had 3. The year before that, we had 1 or 2. So a really good track record going with Fulbright.